was able to stand that one up. I got this in part way up, but I cracked off some of the branches, and this one looks like it's pretty much destroyed. See? Poor thing. Oh well. I'll get out here tomorrow. It's almost dark now. Wish I'd have come out here earlier, but I was doing other stuff. Shoot. Well, it's time to harvest the rest of them anyway, but darn it. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna bring these up there with me. These are the ones that popped off of there. Okay, so this is what I finished last night. That right there, if you can see. And those 2 rows on that side. If you can pause this just a little bit long. Well, yeah, I guess so. It's not very long. I'm gonna pause this and go up to the house and show you something else. The onions came in today and they're much better shape than the batch they sent that was rotting. I'm back up at the house. Yeah, I put the mower up. My little tractor covered it this time. The seat anyway. The rest of it's up under there far enough. That's that roselle I brought up here. All right. You want to go in, I know. There you go. All right. Now the onions came in this afternoon. It's good. 0 dew. And they look much better, of course. There are some that's got kind of icky tops, but overall, they're great. They're not separated like they used to do, but they kind of are. You can kind of tell, but anyway, I guess that's what you get for the variety pack. They're cheaper. That smells good in here. It smells like onion. Plus my dinner. I got minestrone soup that I made yesterday. I couldn't find any. You can't buy the dried cannellini here. I use the large Navy, not Navy, but Great Northern. Yeah. Did you eat all your dinner? Let me see. Oh, yeah. You want more? You want more? I'll get you some more. Well, I'll say goodnight, y'all. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.